Okay, Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Today I cannot talk. Take out one teeth. Okay. Okay, now your homeworks already did? Everybody okay? Okay, share everybody. Other, please mark. Okay. Oh, okay. I will I will say the answer. Then check. Okay, first one. Pali. Only you recite Pali sentence. Recite the Pali sentence. The yeah. First one. Buddho Dhammang Bhasati. Buddho Patama Eka Vachana. Dhammang Dutiya Eka Vachana. Bhasati Kiriya Eka Vachana. Buddho, the Buddha, Bhasati speaks, Dhammang, the Dhamma, the doctrine. Okay, correct? The Buddha speaks the Dhamma. Number 2, please recite Pali, one more. Brahmana. Patama Bahuvachana. Patama Bahuvachana. Odanang. Bunjanti. Bahuvachana. one more paper pass to Sister Fauzi. Yes, last one. Yeah. Okay. Brahmana odanang bhunjanti. The Brahmins eat the rice, cooked rice. Okay, next one. Vanijo Patama Ekavachana. Bhattang Passati. Vanijo the merchant. Right. Next one. Okay, please the board. Number 4. Mitto Gamang Agachati. Mitto Patama Gamang Agachati. Meaning the friend comes to the I cannot type. For you. Mitto. Okay, the friend comes to the village. The according to the English, to the village. Adverb, no? Adverb. Adverb also accusative. Dutiya. Last time, always we thought a village. Sometimes to the village, to the monastery. It's an adverb. Adverb also include the dutiya, the accusative. Okay, number 5. Bhupalo Manuse Rakhati all together meaning the king protects the human beings. Next one. Kumaro Buddhang Vand. Kumaro Buddhang Vandati. Meaning Kumaro, the boy worships the Buddha. Number 7. Vanija. Vanija meaning Patama Bahuvachana. Patti. Haranti. Kiriya Bahuvachana. Meaning the merchants carry the balls, plural. Next one. Kasako. Viharang. Gacchati. Meaning good. Next one. Matula. Bhopalang. Passanti. Meaning see the king. Next one. Mitta. Kumare. Bhasanti. Meaning the friends. Next one. Naro. Pattang. Harati. Meaning the man Harati. Next one. Manusa. Putte. Rakkanti. Meaning again next one. Putto Bhattang Putto. Bhattang. Punjati. Meaning next one. Meaning Kasaka. Matule. Bhasanti. Meaning next. Bhopala. Dhammang. Vandanti. Meaning next one. Vanijo. Mitte. Passati. Meaning next one. Meaning Pattang. Vandan. Meaning the boy. Next one. Putta. Viharang. Gacchanti. Meaning next one. Matulo. Kasakang. Rakhati. Meaning next one. Nara. Odanang. Bunjanti. Meaning understand? Okay. Next one. The men go to the monastery. Naraviharang. Next one, the farmer speaks to the sun. Kasako Bhasati. Next one, the Brahmin eats rice. Brahmano Batang Bunjati. Brahmano Odanang Bunjati. Next one, the Buddha sees the bowl. The Dhamma protects the men. The king worships the Buddha. The merchant speaks to the boy. Friends salute the Brahmin. Vandanti, plural. The farmers come to the village. The sons worship the uncle. Kings protect the men. The merchant comes to the monastery. Uncles take away the balls. Again, human beings eat the rice. Punjanti. The men says the farmers. The merchant takes away the rice. The king speaks to the friend. The boys see the uncle. The friends eat the rice. Punjanti. The son goes to the monasteries. Okay. Now, how many marks? How many round? Okay, change. Again, take your paper, on paper. On answer. Oh. Re- yeah, Pali, Pali. Okay, you want later. Pass. Okay, okay. Any question? Hmm? Hmm? Both correct. Without the or without the with the no problem. Sometimes the or the nang or the nang the sorry the rice okay no problem. Huh? Anyway, you can understand Pali is okay. Hmm? Both take away harati. Can you also can? That's uh, Pali one word. They give English two meaning. You can add any of meaning, no problem, according to Pali. Okay? Again, we are going to explain lesson 5. Mm. Okay, now today, pronounce by yourself. Good. Mata pitu upathanang. Mata pitu upathanang. Putta darassa. Putta darassa. Sangho. Anakullacha. Kammantha. Anakullacha. Kammantha. Etang Mangala Muttamang Mata pitu upathanang Potta darassa sangaho Anakulacha kammanta Etang mangala muttamang. Okay, recite. Again. Okay. Danancha Dhammacariyacha Danancha Dhammacariyacha Ñātakārnañca Sangaho Ñātakārnañca Sangaho Anavajjāni Kammāni Anavajjāni Kammāni Etaṃ Mangala Muttamaṃ. Okay, now they have many nouns. Mata, Pitu, Upatthanaṃ, Putta, Darassa, Sangaho, Anakulacha, Kammanta, Dānaṃ ca Dhammacariya ca Ñātakārnaṃ ca Sangaho Anavajjāni Kammāni. Now we only study according to the end of the noun, Akaranta noun, under the Nara sound only, no? But Naro, Nara, Naran, Nare, only 4. Now, according to this Naro, Sangaho, Sangaho, Anakula, Nara, Anakula, Kammanta, Kammanta, Dhammacariya, Sangaho. Few words have. Understand my meaning? Now the Sangaho means Sangaho, Sangaha, Sangahang, Sangahe. We can practice. Understand? Naro, Nara, Narang, Nare. Sangaho, Sangaha, Sangahang, Sangahe. Sangaho meaning Patama Ekavachana. Sangaho meaning Sangham, help. Now this meaning who is help for to son and to wife. Putta Dara. Putta meaning son. Putta. Darasa meaning Dara meaning wife. Putta meaning son. Dara meaning wife. But they together join word. That's why now we are going slowly by slowly. Very far this grammar. Puttocha Daro chati Putta Daro Putta Darassa Sangaho Putta Dara Sangaho. They another grammar. Puttocha Darocha Putta Daro. This is we call one of the grammar Samasa. the I don't know the English the proper name. What is the samasa? Samasa meaning 3-4 nouns together we can join. Now putto cha daro. Putto cha means son. Daro meaning wife. Putto cha daro cha become putta daro. One word. Understand? Try, no, but no need to think. Don't think. But we are still we are Pali elementary class. To understand. Now next one. Mata pitu. Mata meaning mother. Pitu meaning father. Mata cha pitu chati mata pitu. No, this the mata one word, pitu one word. We have to join become mata pitu. Mother. Mata is mother. But don't follow like this way. Mato, mata, mata. No. Different, na? Because mata meaning feminine. Female. But we have next time we are going to explain mata. Pitu also the masculine but different sound. Pitu, pita, pitaro, like this the different we have, not joined to the nara. Okay. Now, but I want to give the, now you study only few words. Now we can catch sangha ho have. Anakula, anakulo, anakula. Kammanto, kammanta. Okay. Dhammacharya, dhammacharyo, dhammacharya. That's why I want to only understand only few things. If you know the Pali words, later can understand Sutta. Not hurry, huh? Still have time. But don't miss your class. Today, I cannot see some face. Tukka. Oh. But if it is in this object, a lazy object. The Lord Buddha said, if someone want to do something, today raining, it's no good. Cannot go. Today wet. Today cool. I am hungry now. I cannot join to class. I am very tired. If I like this object, this is a lazy object. The 8 kind of lazy object Lord Buddha explained. This one, if have like this thing, cannot develop your life. Yeah. Cannot develop your life. Okay? If it is rain, doesn't care about rain. You must.
So if we want here, it's good.
Yes, good. That's why because this all are good, very good. No any happen. Yes, so good. Yeah, my wisdom tooth take out it very big. Okay. The same one, all are same before. Sorry. Please read because I cannot recite. Read, please read by yourself, then understand. Okay. Verbs, nouns. This one already uploaded in the website, no? Not yet. Tonight. This lesson tomorrow morning will be in the website. You can see, you can download. Answer also menu tomorrow. Okay. Enough only understand. Don't think too much. Don't think, because those are things help for us in future especially. But this time also we are going to translate some Pali words. Try to understand. That's important. But more important after practice more lesson after more lesson you can understand what is this thing. Those are things. I already explained before those things. The except English, German, France, like this language, they have the gender. Der, die, das. Der meaning masculine, die meaning feminine, das meaning neutral. Very difficult to understand those are language, because every word we have to add the article. Der, die, das. Example now, the tree, the German language is der Baum. Der meaning masculine. They, in front of the word nouns, they give the noun this is a masculine. But Pali we not use like this. Example now, Puriso. Purisa meaning masculine, but in front of Purisa no any article. If you have the article, very easy to remember by heart, no? But other language like German, France, like this language, they have the article. But English also only the. Everywhere the woman, the man, the tree. Only they have your article. Okay. Understand? They give the example according masculine. The Rukha, Chanda, they are masculine. According feminine, Nadi, Lata, Panya. Danang, Chitta, mind, the neutral. Actually, I noted teach I, me, mine, he, him, his, like this thing. I noted teach maybe later how to translate to English, Pali. I meaning aham, like we meaning maya, like this later I will explain. But they want for the understand, because about the cases. Case meaning Pali vibhakti. Case meaning Pali vibhakti. Can write vibhakti. VIBH. Vibhakti. VIBHAT. No, double T. Bhakti meaning case. Case. No. Vibhakti. Vibhakti meaning case. English. Okay. Vibhakti meaning case. Now the Pali, the English we call case, no? Case meaning vibhakti. But according to the English language, they have the few cases. You see, dative, locative, instrumental, like this. They have, usually we can see in the sentence. But exactly this is this thing, they not divide. Example now, the by the boy, with the boy, like this we sometimes we cannot use with the boy. Example, I call a sentence. Now I go to the village with the boy. I cut the tree with the knife. Can English cannot say, no? By the knife. I cut the tree by the knife. Sometimes with the knife also can. But I go to the village by the boy. Cannot say like this, no? That's why. But the Pali, they have clearly meaning. Pali, they explain. Only the because now we are practicing only the three subject, object, and instrumental. But instrumental meaning, the two meaning according to the Pali we call Tatya Karana. Tatya, the same rule. Tatya meaning ablative. Karana meaning only instrumental. Okay, but ablative so many meaning according to English. The differently explain, no? Now they try to understand this thing, those are things. Example, saro, sarang, sarena. Naro, sarena, sakunang, vijjati. Naro meaning, sarena meaning, with the arrow, Sakunang, bird. Vijjati, should. How translate English? To, yeah, the man shoot the bird with the arrow. Now you have to understand sara, ena, sarena. Ena meaning with, sometime by, sometime through. But always I am going to explain with and by only. Because through meaning complicate meaning, because sometimes they use different place. The man shoots the bird with an arrow. Okay. The simple sentence. Kumaro narang paharati. Kumaro, the boy. Paharati, hits. Narang, the man. Naro, kumarang paharati. The man hits the boy. Simple part. What have we learned so far? Termination, gender, number, case. Now you know the termination little bit. Gender so you know. Number you know ekavachana bahuvachana. Cases meaning case meaning patama, dutiya, etc. Again you know this thing, but we are following only the akaranta a nara sound only. Now we are practicing only nara sound, but this one also 9 way. Now we already finished subject, object. Now we are going to explain with, by, through. With, by. Now we are going to study. Masculine pulling, singular plural. Now we see tatya, ablative of agent. Karana, ablative of instrumental. We use for the understand without action, with the action, but the important thing we have to understand instrumental and ablative agent, but they have the different meaning. Now termination, what is our termination? Akarant, a group. Now we are studying which kind of gender? Masculine. Now number understand. Case. Which kind of cases? Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya and Karana. Now we are going to study Tatiya and Karana. Before we practice this one, no? Manuso, Manusa. Okay, one more time. Okay. Oh, sorry. Read Pali. Recite. Yeah, Pali don't have the articles and the, but English we are lucky have and the, but according to these articles we cannot decide this is a masculine, this is a feminine, this is neutral, like this we cannot divide. This is one problem. But the some are last time I explained the German, according to German language, France, they can, according to article, we can decide this is a masculine, this is a feminine, this is neutral. Example now, der Baum, the tree. The tree meaning, they are meaning masculine. Die Mutter meaning mother, Mutter meaning mother, die meaning feminine. Das Auto meaning car, auto, car. Das meaning neutral. Always they use the article. Der Baum, der Vater, die Mutter, die Nacht. Nacht means the night. Das Auto, like this. They have, but English have only a and the, but Pali doesn't have. Okay, recite. Okay. Again. Good. Recite only Pali. Pali. Good. Now about Ena. Ehi, Ebi. In the singular Ena, plural Ehi and Ebi. Okay. But this one, the Sadding or Saha. Sadding and Saha meaning also with. But now we are still in the elementary class because of the reason Purisena. Because of Ena, they give the with meaning. They have the meaning with. So we no need to add Sadding or Saha. But according to the way we are going to study in the sutta everywhere, Sadding, Saha always together stay, this no problem. Now we are later can understand Sadding, Saha, we call the, what is the meaning, also with. But Purisena, with the man. No need to add Sadding or Saha. Okay? But Sadding meaning also with. Saha meaning also with. But Purisena, Ena also give the meaning with. So no need to add. Okay. Now Tatya Karana. Don't pay attention to this one. Later can understand. Only two things. ablative of agent, ablative of instrumental. But instrumental, it's okay. Karana. Very complicated. Later can understand. Already. Ablative of agent, by, with, through. This meaning whom. Now example, I am going to village. With whom? With whom? With the son, with the man. Example now, where whom, the with whom, always they give the tatya. This ablative of agent. With the whom. Now the example, the I cut the tree with the knife, or by the knife. Now I cut the tree with what? I use what? Which kind of thing I use to cut? What mean this is a instrumental. This is only few different. This is a Panchami. Later I explain. This don't join to here, because otherwise they misunderstand. Always okay, I give example. Okay. Something is done by, with, through. We call whom. Something is done by, with, through, what? Now Tatya, Karana, you have to understand what is different. Example, they have sentence. The man goes to the village with his friend. How to translate? Now try to understand. The one of the men going to his village with whom? With whom? With his friend. This with friends meaning mittena, tatya. Understand? The Buddha goes to the vihara with his disciples. Now the Lord Buddha going to vihara with whom? With his disciple. Tatya. Understand? Naro mitte biho mittehi gama. So gama. This is the printing mistake. Gamanga. Please mark. Please write down this sentence. The man goes to the village with his friends, plural. The man, naro. With his friends, singular or plural? With his friend, plural. Because of the reason, mittebi or mittehi. If singular, mittena. Good. Gamang. To the village meaning gamang. Gamang. Okay. Goes, gachati. Now the actually the man goes to the village with friends. This is meaning. But if like this, we cannot say English. English don't according English sentence we must put his. This is according English. The man goes to the village with friends. With his friend, we have to backward. This is English meaning, but without his, without his, we can understand Pali naro mittehi gamang gacchati. Mittehi gamang gacchati meaning with the friend, but we have to understand this Pali sentence translate to English. At that time we have to backward his. This is not my problem, English problem. Not the Pali problem. But naro mittehi gamang gacchati, they give the English meaning like this. That's why we are backward. His meaning backward. Backward meaning add, only add, but not the meaning of the Pali. This is meaning. We backward meaning this one not coming from this Pali sentence. If we want to add the his according to Pali, naro attano mittehi gamang gacchati. Attano meaning his. Pali have different. Attano meaning his, but don't think about attano, maybe later this sound. Because I follow only the according to our cases, not follow others. Okay, about karana. Something is done by, with, through what? Karana. The man cuts the tree with a saw. Meaning, naro kakachena rokkang chindati, with the saw. Meaning, Pali. So meaning, what so? Cutting, no? Kakacha. Become, we add the with, become kakachena. New words, no? Okay, write down. The one sutta have in the Majjhima Nikaya, Kakachupama Sutta. Kakachupama Sutta. Kakacha meaning this so. Then Lord Buddha give for the explain for the Sangha, for the Bhikkhu, how you practice your monk life according to this thing. If anger, how to maintain your anger mind, the hatred mind, how to maintain. This will Lord Buddha explain, this sutta. Good for them also. Everybody good for you also. Try to read Kakachuma Sutta after study Pali. Okay? Kakacha meaning? So. What is so? Chindati meaning cut. Verb. Chindati meaning cut. Chindati meaning cut. Understand? Can I ask question? Somebody? Okay. Example. With the men. How to translate to Pali? With the men. With the men. Nare hi or nare bhi. with the sun. Putena. With the Dhamma. Dhamme na. Good, no? Very good. Panchaminoni. Ah. Okay, now understand this thing? Don't pay attention here, maybe later I explain, no? Otherwise, maybe some misunderstand. But we joined Panchami because of the ablative case. Because third time also according this ablative. Fourth time Karan also ablative. Fifth time Panchami also ablative. That's why we got this thing, but maybe later I am going to explain. Tatiya and Karan. Okay, recite. Good. Recite all together. Again, again. Pat ratebi savakebi sakatebi savakebi samanebi yachakebi singalebi also have. You have to add by yourself. Okay. Avatebi pabbatebi saggebi sarebi kakachebi kaggebi anditebi. Try to by heart. Huh? Okay. Okay. Bhupalo narena sating gamang gacchati. But okay, but you don't pay attention sadding. We want to explain what's the difference. Bhupalo meaning Patama Narena Tatiya Eka Vachana. Now Gamang Gacchati. But sadding no need here. We have to cut. Sadding no need. Bhupalo the king. Narena with the man. With we have to add to take here with the man. Gamang to the village. Gacchati goes. The king goes to the village with the man. Okay, the narena meaning with the man. You have to write. Please write down. Sadding without sadding. Bhupalo narena gamang gacchati. Bhupalo meaning the king. Narena with the man. Gaman to the village. Adverb. To the village, adverb. Gacchati goes. The king goes to the village with the man. Understand? Any question? Okay. No. Okay. Bhupala, next one. See, plural. Bhupala narehi gamang gacchanti. First one singular, second one plural. Bhupala, the kings. Narehi, with the men. Gamang, to the village. Gachanti, go. Narena, narehi, narebi. At that time, we have to add with. Because of the reason, sadding, no need. Now the singular, narena gama. Plural, narehi gama. Now understand difference? Sadding, no need. Huh? Now we are always use Tisaranena saha. Saha no need. Tisaranena enough. But for the pronunciation, proper pronunciation, smoothly can pronounce Tisaranena saha. Same way, Narena sadding, Narena saha, Narehi sadding, Narehi saha. We can add but same meaning. Is sadding or saha add to this sentence? No any different meaning. Because Narena meaning with the man. Narena sadding also with the man. Understand? No any different meaning. Huh? But we can add, don't worry, no problem. But because now we are elementary class, so we add the sadding, sometimes comes sadding we can, which one sadding, which kind of word, we have many questions, no? So we no need to think about thing this time. We are going to the normal sentence. Bhupalo narena gamang gacchati. Bhupala narehi gamang gacchanti. Okay, correct? Understand? Alright, write down. Everybody? Again. No. Okay. Sentences, subject, object and agent, instrumental. Putto matulena avatang khanati. Putto meaning Patama. Okay. Okay, write down first. Are you happy, Pari class? Are you understand? Everybody correct? No? Do you can catch our sentence Pali explanation? Tomorrow everybody home, the off day, no? Off day, no everybody? Off day. Yes. From work. Yeah. Yes, no? Tomorrow's class have. No, I mean off work. Yeah, holiday, no? But class not holiday. Daytime. Huh? Okay. No, because if you have the free tomorrow, can practice by yourself. Okay. This I have the homeworks. Again, huh? Everybody get this paper? Mm. Because very simple. You have to memorize only the new nouns and new verbs. You know the grammatical way, very easy to translate to English to Pali. Okay. Okay. Now this one. පුත්තෝ පඨමා ඒකවචන මාතුලේන තතියා ආවාටං දුතියා කනති කිරියා ඒකවචන. The son digs a fit with his uncle. The his meaning according to English sentence. With the uncle, like this cannot say. With his uncle. That's why, because of the reason we bracket we bracket. Okay. But Pali, no need to think about that. Putto matulena avatan kanati meaning. Okay. Putta matulehi avate kananti, plural sentence. Putta, the sons, matulehi, with the uncles. Avate, pits, kananti, D. But usually matula meaning uncle. Ena coming with the uncle. Matula meaning uncle. Ehi coming uncles, with the uncles, plural. Okay. Okay, write down this one also. Final. Okay. Okay, finish. Kumaro hattena bhattang bonjati. Kumaro, the boy, hattena, with the hand, with his hand. Bhattang, the food. The rice also can, but it's better rice because the food meaning ahara. If you want food, ahara, please add here ahara. Write down ahara. Ahara. Ahara meaning food. There. Loni. Aha. R-A-M dot. Aharang. Ahara. Okay. Ahara, food. the food. Okay. Now ahara become aharo, ahara, aharang, ahare, aharena, aharebi, ahareya. So many papers, no? Better keep one file all together keep. Otherwise, if even one paper miss, maybe later how to practice. Because this time we cannot finish our Pali lessons. I don't know I cannot estimate how many lessons I can give this time. That's why if this time cannot, maybe we have to do next time. That's why before forget you have to practice every day. Okay. Plural kumara hattehi bhattang bunjanti. Oh, aharam bunjati, aharam bunjanti. Please add the press better. If bhattang, the rice. Aharam, the food. You can use both way, both sentence. Understand my meaning? Understand? Okay. Kumaro hattena aharang bunjati. The boy eat the food with his hand. Kumara hattehi aharang bunjanti. The boys eat the food with their hands. Okay? Okay? Already? Okay. Please, a small sentence you try to think by yourself. One sentence, equal English or Pali anyway. You, everybody. Can I ask from our resident Bante, Jyotika, according to Tatya. Masting, okay. Okay, everybody write one sentence according to Tatya. Please, before go to the Dhati, Karan, few sentences you have to make. Then they already Tatya and I explain Karan by the cart, by the knife, by this thing, no? And no need to again the revision many, but take only the Patama, Puriso, Purisa, Purisa, and Purise, like this. So they know the way, because now they take time. Tomorrow off day, I can take time. Now already time 9 past, no problem, no? Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. Don't think too much. Okay, take your homework paper. Okay. Happy, no? Okay, now take your homework paper. See the one example, first one. Buddho savakehi viharang gacchati. Buddho meaning Patama eka vachana. Savakehi tatiya bahu vachana. Viharang dutiya eka vachana. Gacchati kiriya or akyata eka vachana. Meaning the Buddha goes to the monastery with his disciples. but this homework sentence sometimes the Karan also have. Please try to understand. But next time I will explain. Tomorrow I will explain again Karan. But today ablative Tatya explain with the more detail. Tomorrow I am going to explain instrumental with the Karan with the more example. But our exercise paper some place have. You can check. You try to understand what is the instrumental, what is the ablative. About Karan, Tatya and Karan. Another side, translate into Pali. The recluse sees the Buddha with his friend. The recluse meaning Patama Ekavachana. Sees meaning Kiriya. The Buddha with his disciple. How to translate to Pali? Samano Buddhang. Okay. How many samana in our sasana? How many samana? This is different Dhamma question. How many samana in our sasana? How many samana? No, I mean how many samana? How many samana in our sasana? Our Lord Buddha, according to our Buddha's teaching, how many samana? Not Pali question. It's Dhamma question. Yeah, Dhamma question. How many samana according to our Lord Buddha's teaching? Our Lord Buddha near the passed away time. Okay, who is the last disciple of our Buddha? Who is last disciple of our Lord Buddha? Subhad, one of the old monk. Actually, he is a Paribrajaka. Not the before he is one kind of unreligion. Unreligion meaning that without our Buddhism, he is a Paribrajaka. I don't know English Paribrajaka. Paribrajaka meaning one of the ascetic side. He last moment came to visit the Buddha. Actually, Bhante Ananda already stopped. Please don't come, because Lord Buddha now nearly passed away. We don't disturb to the Lord Buddha. Then Lord Buddha called to the Ananda, please give the chance for him to come. At that moment, Lord Buddha explained to him how many samana in the Lord our sasana. Idheva samano, ida dutiyo samano, ida tatiyo samano, ida chatutto samano. Sunyo parappavada samanehi anyehi. In the Samana Sutta, in the Anguttara Nikaya, 4th chapter also have, Dega Nikaya, next end of the Parinibbana Sutta also explain this sutta, this meaning. In this sasana, Patamo samano, they have first samana, this Sotapatti. Sotapatti meant only this sasana. Dutiyo samano, second person, Sakadagami. Sakadagami noble person, only this sasana. Tatiyo samano, Anagami person. Anagami noble person in the only this sasana. In the Chatutto samano, Arahat. Except those are samanas cannot see except other sasana. Other religion, many kind of religion have the example this time, Christian, Catholic, Muslim, Hindu, Tamil, different kind of religion, no? Different kind of thing, way. Except our Theravada sasana don't have any samana in other sasana. Only this our sasana, only this 4 samana. Understand? Now, if you want to get the real samana life, you must practice Dhamma according to Theravada. Not the according to the other religion. Sorry, yeah? This is a samana meaning. Okay? Now, I am also going to explain the Pali language according to the our Lord Buddha's teaching. If you want to study according to the Mahayana method, I have to teach Sanskrit. But according to the Theravada, if you want to get the real samana life in this life, you try to practice our Lord Buddha's teaching. Theravada method. Samatha Vipassana meditation. Okay? May you be free from all suffering. May you be attain Nibbana soon. Idang me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.